In this quick video I will show you how to search for anything you see on any page with Google Lens. So you have to open Google Chrome and open a website where is your picture you want to find. For example, Amazon. Click on these three dots in the right upper corner area and here find option search with Google Lens. This feature should be available in the newest update, so check if your Google Chrome is updated. Click on this option, continue. Now select anything to search with Google Lens, for example this computer. And as you can see, it will search for similar photos in Google. You can search for anything you want. You can pin it here. I'm gonna try to scan these clippers, three dots, search with Google Lens and drag to search. And here you can see all similar pictures or same pictures with this product. It's helpful for me. I hope you find it helpful too. Thanks guys for watching and see you next time.